Hey, I'm George and welcome back to DIY Camp Life. And today I'm reviewing a product that's been riding along with me since last summer. This is the BougeRV 12V 23 quart portable fridge. If you're looking for a small, quiet, power efficient fridge or freezer for your camper, overland rig, vehicle, this might be the one for you. So stick around and I'll tell you all about it. So I picked this one up on the BougeRV website last summer. That's 2025. It was $159. And at the time of me recording this, which is now January 2026, that is still the current price, $159 for the white model. They do have other colors that they offer. They have a black, a mint green, a pink, and a purple. However, those colors come at a cost for about $20 more. This is BougeRV's smallest model fridge freezer. It has a 23 quart capacity, weighs about 21 pounds. It measures roughly 22.7 inches wide, 12.6 inches deep, and 13 inches high. It has a small footprint, which for me is a perfect fit for the galley of my hiker trailer. Hikers tend to have limited space, so this tucks in there nicely and still leaves room for my other gear. I did build a custom sliding tray for this, and I have a video on exactly how I did that, which you can find on my channel or in a link below. Let me tell you about the interior size here. The interior measures 13.8 inches by 9.8, and the height here is 9.8 inches also. According to the website, it can hold 28 12-ounce cans of your favorite beverage. This unit can run as either a fridge or a freezer. It's one or the other. It's not both at the same time. There are some models that have a split fridge freezer compartment. This freezer can chill down to -8 degrees Fahrenheit. I tested this in my hot garage last summer. Let it sit for several days with bottles of water in it, and it kept up, -8 degrees. I was blown away that it kept up, and it was actually to that temp. On the top, you'll find a simple LED control panel with easy to read temp settings and even a USB port, maybe for charging your phone or a camera from your fridge. But it does not have a built-in battery or an option to install one, so this USB port doesn't make much sense to me, but you may find some use for it yourself. The control panel features an LED status screen that displays things like current temp, cooling mode, lock indicator, and info that monitors your vehicle's battery. It's a nice feature that helps prevent you from draining your vehicle's main battery. There's also a power button, turn the power off and on. This is a lock button that keeps your settings set so it doesn't accidentally get changed. This also allows access to your settings. And of course, there's also a temp up, temp down button. And this is the USB port that I was talking about. Again, I don't know what you would use it for, but there it is. It's pretty straightforward. Turn it on, set your desired temp, and choose between Eco mode or Max mode, and that's it. In Max mode, it'll cool from room temp to freezing in under an hour. And to explain more about those two modes, your Eco mode only draws about 36 watts. Max mode draws 45 watts. This provides for faster cooling. I almost always use it in Eco mode. Once it's at temperature, it doesn't take much power to maintain it, which is great for off-grid setups. The unit runs on 12 or 24 volts DC or 10 to 220 volts AC. Both cords are included with the refrigerator. As I mentioned before, it includes the battery protection to prevent you from draining your car or your trailer battery. In the winter or just cooler months, this thing is going to reach temp and pretty much stay there based on your ambient temperature. Where it really comes in clutch is on warmer days. On a trip that I took in last September, we had several high 80-degree days, and this fridge, it held its own. I ran the camper along with its fans, lights, phone chargers, charging iPads, running the fridge, and all that stuff running. And after a full day and night, I used about 20% of my 100 amp hour battery, so about 20 amps. Without shore power or solar, I could have run this for 4 or 5 days on that 100 amp hour battery. However, I did have solar, and every morning my solar panels top my batteries right back to 100%. The best part is everything that was frozen in here stayed frozen. I had it set on 32 or less. Everything stayed frozen. So let's talk about pros and cons. The top of the list for me, pros, price. $159 for this little fridge is a steal. Performance is quiet, efficient, and reliable. It's running right now. I doubt you could hear it. Maybe you can. I'll find out when I'm done recording. It is small. This is their smallest model. It fits perfectly in small trailers, backseat of your car, on the floor of your backseat. This is their smallest model. So let's talk about the cons. The biggest thing for me is that there is no interior light. When you open this thing up, there's no light. Some of the models do come with a light. This one does not. Sounds minuscule, sounds like it's not something that's very important, but you'd be surprised at nighttime when you're trying to dig through this thing, even with your galley lights and stuff, it's nice to have a light in here. So I make sure I wear a headlamp or something. Another con is the condensation. Because of this being, it's not the most insulated refrigerator in the world. On humid days, I do get condensation buildup around the lid, around the mouth of the lid. The nice thing is that BougeRV sells a cover that goes over this whole thing that just bumps up that insulation factor a little bit more. Another thing is that, and this isn't much for me, but this is all plastic construction. You don't want to drop it. You want to be careful with it. You certainly don't want to stand on it. I barely want to sit on it. It's in my galley, so it's really not a problem. It's strapped into the galley. Overall, I've been really happy with the BougeRV 23-quart portable fridge. For the price, it is hard to beat, especially if you're looking for something that's efficient, compact, and dependable for off-grid camping. If you're looking for something larger with more bells and whistles, BougeRV has many fridge options, and they also sell things like solar panels, heaters, air conditioners, and all kinds of stuff for your outdoor adventures. I highly recommend their products. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY camp life projects and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.